Hello Internet, what's up my peeps? Here's a quick tip for you. If you have smaller nails like these, quite fiddly to, hold them in place while you strike, just put a strong magnet, in this case a neodymium magnet, on the other end. This hammer isn't really a good hammer for carpentry, but for this purpose it works very well. It's in there and then you just put it in, turn the hammer around and go about your business. You can't do like this. Well, you can, but that's not the result you want. This is, once you get good at this, it's really easy to pick one up, turn it around, and it's, for obvious reasons, sort of drawn to it. So, okay, maybe not like that, but... Hope you found that useful. Please stay safe. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.